How to allow camera access on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to enable camera access for Roblox. It's a quick and simple process, so please follow the steps carefully and let's get started. If you're using an Android or iOS device, you will need to first adjust your app permissions. For Android, you can press and hold the Roblox icon and then tap on App Info by tapping on the eye icon in the top. Once you do that, click on Permission section, that is between notifications and screen time. Tap on it. Here you can enable camera access, contact access, file and media access, and microphone access, which is essential if you want to use voice chat in Roblox. After granting camera permissions, you can open Roblox and start using it right away. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.